There's no earthly way of knowing. The oxygen just keeps on flowing, and the eyeballs keep on rowing, and they show no signs of slowing.
Oh, Chloe, make it stop!
Okay, we're here.
Turn on the top up here, yep.
Okay.
You got it? Drop it. Woo! Yeah. Oh, Thomas got stuck over there. There's Thomas go. There he goes with the helicopter. MICAH with the zombie up on top. Ah! Oh! Did the zombie get him? The zombie got him? Okay, let's try it again. This time don't let the zombie get him, okay? Push the yellow thing back down. Made it. Uh-oh, we got fell off the track. Ah, Thomas fell. Must be a little weak spot on that track there. MICAH's with the zombie up there. Oh! MICAH with the zombie. He's gonna get him. Oh! Uh-oh, MICAH, you gotta push that thing down.
Okay.
Push the yellow thing back down. Hurry up! Ah. Oh, push the yellow thing down. You gotta push this down. And it snaps in. Push the yellow thing back down. MICAH. Wait. You're watching your show? Hey. Turn on the top up here, yep.
Okay.
You got it? Drop it. Woo! Did it jump? Uh-oh. Train's getting stuck. Let's get stuck there in the carpet. You want to go to that? Okay. Yeah? To that? Where's your train on there? Oh, that's what happens when Thomas gets stuck there. You wait. Go, Thomas! Turn them off. Okay. Here Thomas goes. You shoot when you land. There he goes. Around the hill he goes. Oh no, we better put the thing down. Oh, we got Thomas crash. I'll fix it. Okay, get that off the train track, Micah. It doesn't go on the train track. Micah, that don't go up there too. Uh-oh, he's stuck. Fix him. What did he hit? Whoa! Uh-oh. Came off the track again. Did you push the thing down, Micah? Yep. Good job. Is he gonna make it this time? Okay, leave that alone, Micah. Because he's gonna go up. Here he goes. Say go, Thomas. Woo! He made it. You put in the car on there? I want to put the car's gonna fall off. Here Thomas comes. Push the yellow thing down. Push the yellow thing down, Micah. Push the yellow thing down quick. Hurry up. Push that down. Good job. No, you gotta connect it. Hurry up. Hurry up, connect it. Whoa! Leave him on the train track now. Just leave him there. He'll come. He'll come. Yep. Oh no! Oh, he's gonna hit the car! Oh! Watch out! I'm recording. You want to record? Oh no, there was an accident here with the car. What's gonna happen, Micah, when he hits the car? Boom! He's carrying the car up. He's carrying it. Look, he's carrying the car. Leave the car there. Ah! Oh no, he got stuck at the car. Ah, they both crashed. Wait. The car got stuck. See how it got stuck? Here. Put your hand in here. Like this. Okay, you got it? Okay. Okay, you gotta try to get the train though. You see the train on it? Where's the train, Micah? There it is. Now follow the train. Follow the train. Here it goes. See the train on it? You gonna go up now? There it goes up. Good job recording. Woo. And I made it. Woohoo! That's Micah recording. You gotta follow the train, buddy. You gotta put that down. Okay. Oh, you gotta get back on the train. Where's the train? Right there. Follow the train. You tired? Follow the train. Great. Going too fast. Whoa! Okay, let's turn it off now.